Shinna Fena foil.
This is the Irish Song and Recitation Festival. It's the home of song, story, and poetical proverb. You are at the Irish Roots Cafe, and I am Mick the Bridge, your host. This is one of 3 broadcast series here at the Irish Roots Cafe. The other 2 cover Irish families worldwide and the history of the Irish in America. Oro Sheda Vaha Walia. Well, I'd like to introduce you to the Irish Song and Recitation Festival podcast. We have a festival here at the cafe every year, once a year, and we have competition, and it's all in good spirits and good fun, and we sure like to share it with you, so we've had some of that this year. Peter Adams given several of his songs, and Connie Dover came in, and she gave a couple of her songs, and we've had several songs sung in the Irish language, which is very nice thing to have, and we mix that up with some of the early Irish American music like Dear Little Shamrock, Carrie Dancin', and When Irish Eyes Are Smilin'. So when you combine that with the Irish national anthem in the Irish language and songs like Shularoon, it gives you really a lot to think about, and it sure is enjoyable to listen to. Like I said, we had Peter Adams, Connie Dover, and we even had Ed Nefsey phone in from England, one of our authors, and he sung Una Wan. And I learned a little bit on every single one of these, and I think you will too. You also learn things about like how the old country song, The Streets of Laredo, here in America, that has roots all the way back to the Bard of Armagh in Ireland. So we're going to learn a whole lot of things here, and I invite you to come. And not only that, I invite you to call in and sing your song or say your recitation, and we'll share it with everybody, and we'll all learn as we go along. So feel free to call in anytime at 816-256-3360 and leave your message on my recorder, or you can drop a line to me from my webpage at irishroots.com. Well, we're here at the Irish Roots Cafe wishing you all the best and asking you to remember to keep the best of your Irish heritage alive today.